Dominique, who is Looq?
Thanks for having me, Kevin, today. My name is Dominique Meyer. I'm the CEO and founder of Looq AI. Looq AI is a 3D reality capture technology that brings survey-grade 3D data to engineering companies for them to digitize their physical assets to be able to do engineering work on it.
Okay, now your solution is made up of hardware and software. What have you got?
So it all starts with the Q, which is our camera system that allows you to capture data efficiently.
Right.
So what you see here is a set of 4 camera sensors with a high-end survey-grade GPS.
Okay.
And a field technician, an engineer, can go out and capture the data by walking or driving around the system. And the AI running in the system will automatically capture the imagery in the GPS to be able to then reconstruct the 3D model. Once this data goes to the cloud, our proprietary AI reconstructs a geometric estimation, right?
Okay.
And what you end up with is a subcentimere accurate 3D digital twin of all the assets that we capture, with the AI intelligence built into the model.
Now, as you said the magic word, I get my digital twin. Does that digital twin reside in your platform, or can I use that with whatever else I have within the utility?
Yeah, so the digital twin can be visualized in our web application, and that's where we have a number of very useful tools that we've built out for surveyors, for engineers to be able to start doing their work there.
Right.
But then we also enable the export of the data into CAD tools, right? So some of the Autodesk tools, some of the Bentley Systems tools, for the engineers to be able to continue their workflows, right? Because at the end of the day, we really care about helping save bottom line value of data capture in the field and data processing in the office, right? So being able to optimize that end-to-end solution has allowed us to start working with these large engineering companies and really provide end-to-end value to their current engineering workflows.
Now, one of the key themes here all week is DER, distributed energy resources. We need to go faster. We need to enable people to do more work quicker, faster. Any examples of people using your technology already?
Yeah, so we've got a large number of projects across the United States being where this tech is really being deployed at scale. Mm-hmm. One example I want to bring up is EV chargers, right? And with the abundance of EVs being adopted in the industry, right? What we're seeing is demand to build this infrastructure out, right? So these engineering companies have to go to sites and figure out how do you install them right there. So what they start doing, using this technology for, is by capturing a pre-designed survey, right? Being able to capture the 3D digital twin before the work even starts, so they can do the design work, so they can do the bidding even on that.
What's the surface like, what concrete, whatever, right? Whatever's needed,
exactly. How many meters of cable do they need to buy? Who do they need to call up to be able to make sure that what they dig up is going to be safe? And then as the construction starts, the tech can be used for construction monitoring, right? Can we actually see what is being built, whether it's done correctly, what we care about is reducing the amount of refielding. How often these engineering companies have to go back out, send an engineer, fix something, or take a measurement, take a picture of a label, take a picture or a measurement on the ground. And then once the job is done, this transparency is given to the end user, the owner of that data, right, which is the asset owner, right? And that's where we see the engineering companies use this data to be able to build that trust, build that transparency of what they built, right? And that's where Looq is really shining, is being able to add the value across all the phases of the design, construction, and handoff of a physical asset that's being built, for example.
And if I may, I suppose your secret sauce is actually the AI and the algorithms, because the device is the device, but being able to construct the image and turn it into a reality capture model that I can use.
Exactly, so we've got AI running on the camera system that allows the intelligence enabling that efficient data capture, and then the AI in the cloud that really extracts all the value out of the data, right? A lot of the applications in the distribution space, substations, transmission, right, and all of those really value being able to have asset intelligence past just the 3D models. To give an example, right, our AI automatically extracts all the vegetation in an area, all the lines, whether there's a building, right? So as soon as you have clearance issues, coordination, rear easement, all those kind of use cases really value being able to get actionable data out faster, which is much more than 3D data, right? And that's what Looq is focused on.
Hey, good stuff, I wish you well.
Awesome, thank you so much, appreciate it.